In today's video, I will walk you through how to create a cinematic color grade in Adobe Photoshop. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. Once your image is open, start by selecting the background layer. Then press Ctrl-J on Windows or Command-J on Mac to duplicate the layer. After that, go to the Filter menu and choose Convert for Smart Filters. A small confirmation window will appear, so click OK to continue. Now go back to the Filter menu and open Camera Raw Filter. When the panel opens, scroll down until you find the color grading section. Then expand it. We are going to start with the highlights. Take the center circle and drag it slightly away from the middle. Then use the outer ring to choose the highlight color you want. For this example, add a bit of warmth to the highlights. You can increase the amount slightly if you want the color to stand out more. Then adjust the brightness and make the highlights a little darker if needed. After that, raise the color amount a bit more until the image starts to develop that cinematic feel. Next, move down into the shadows section. Drag the center circle away from the middle again, then use the outer ring to choose a color for the shadows. Add a subtle green tone here. After choosing the color, darken the shadows slightly. If the effect feels too intense, reduce the amount a little until it blends more naturally into the image. Now move into the Midtones section. Drag the center circle to choose the direction of the color, then adjust the outer ring until you get the tone you want. You can increase or decrease the amount, depending on the style you prefer. After that, lower the brightness slightly so the midtones become a little darker. Once the color grading is finished, scroll back up to the light section. Here, you can fine-tune the overall image. Increase the contrast a little to give the photo more depth. Then lower the whites slightly to preserve more color in the brighter areas and keep the result looking more natural. You can also adjust the highlights and shadows however you like to balance the image. If you want to add a little extra detail, scroll down to the Effects section and slightly increase the texture amount. When you are happy with the final result, click OK to apply the changes. At this point, you can compare the before and after version of the image and see the cinematic color grade applied to the photo. And that is how you can create a cinematic color grade in Photoshop quickly while still keeping full control over the final look of your image.